मैम आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमें समय देने के लिए। आज फिशरीज डे है, वर्ल्ड फिशरीज, तो आज आपके यहाँ मेहमान हैं, तो किस तरह का अनुभव रहा आज?
बहुत ही अच्छा इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया था एंड स्पेशली जो कॉलेज के और स्कूल के जो बच्चों को इनवाइट किया गया था, जो यंग जनरेशन को इनवाइट किया गया था टू apprise them of the various schemes that we have. That was a wonderful step that was taken by Fisheries and KVK. HADP के अंडर you would have seen that a lot of work is happening. बहुत सारे फार्मर्स ने कुपवारा में अप्लाई किया है. इनफैक्ट इन द यूटी वी आर वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट, probably the highest right now in terms of applications across sectors, be it agriculture, horticulture, fisheries, sericulture, etc. So definitely एक positive attitude है of the farmer also. उसके अलावा आप ये भी जानते हैं कि KKGs establish हुए around 47 यहाँ पर, and they are functional as of now. So from through you I will exhort जितने भी हमारे farmers हैं कि to have that connect with the local कृषि उद्यमी जो कि KKG पे काम भी कर रहा है, वो एक बहुत स्पेशलाइज सर्विस प्रोवाइड करेगा उनको, बिकॉज दे आर ऑल very technically qualified people and available at their doorstep almost in the village or say a cluster of villages. तो ये जो massive extension program clubbed with the financial push also into this sector, that is definitely something that will reap a lot of benefits in the future. So, and that's what we are hopeful for. Or this particular event also is a part of that. In fact, tries to promote that particular vision itself. और ये जो नई टेक्नोलॉजी जो बायोफ्लॉक यूनिट्स under fisheries department is being introduced in the district for the first time, I hope that it gets a lot of traction and it's a big success. And the fisheries department is definitely up to the job. And I will only say कि farmers को कि be in with the extension officers, be in touch with the Krishi Udyamis. We want that positive connect between the various agriculture and allied departments and the farmers. और इसी के लिए हम काम कर रहे हैं. और अगर if there is any feedback also, because there is always scope for improvement, then even that is most welcome.
Thank you for your time.